Hey! Alright. Hey folks, let me teach you how to avoid those people out there. No, actually, I'm going to get off. And I'm going to teach you how to stop prostitution.
What's this?
Seriously, get off. Especially you, prosty. Okay, you know what? This is getting annoying. I can't get
Who's this guy?
I'm the guy who's going to teach them how to eat something.
What kind of gay prosty is this?
Let me teach you how to get Let me teach you how to eat a burger. Seriously, get off.
Yummy.
Okay, yummy. Good. Yes, I know burger is yummy. You're like a bunch of kids.
Thank you.
Yay! Let me teach you how to eat a burger. First, get your burger out from the bag.
Where's your head?
Oh,
But we
it's
don't have
bottle.
a bag.
Wrong.
Wrong item.
Wrong. Oh yeah, this must be the burger.
Thank you.
This must be the burger now. This is the last one anyway. Let me teach you how to eat a burger. Well, it used to be a burger. Okay, screw this. Just end this episode. And I am Chuck Chung with
Bye.
signing. Yeah, I'm the one who signs off.
See you guys.
I
know I'm
am
big.
Chuck signing out away from prostitutions. Oh. And I'm Chuck. And I'm Chuck. Signing off in a bad way.
See you guys next time.
Bye. Let me see.